The Hilti RT6A22 is our cordless solution to the traditional, time-consuming riveting application. It allows for faster and easier installation of rivets, helping you be more productive. The Hilti RT6A22 comes with a brushless motor and sturdy wear parts, delivering outstanding performance and durability. The lightweight and ergonomic design of the tool makes it ideal for serial applications. The RT6A22 can be used for rivets up to 3/16 of an inch and is suitable for different rivet materials including aluminum and steel. Powered by Hilti's 22-volt battery platform, the RT6A22 allows for hundreds of rivet installations per battery charge. The pin collector attached to the tool can collect more than 200 mandrels after rivet installations, keeping your work area cleaner. The Hilti RT6A22 is backed by our industry-leading 22-in-1 service warranty and can be added to Hilti Fleet Management. We're here to help you. Visit our website or contact us for more information.